Hi, I'm Karen Wallis, and today we're going to be touring 3490 Kildare. Coming right on up. Well, welcome to 3490 Kildare. Come into a nice foyer. Opens to a beautiful dining room. Easily sit 8 to 10 people. Leads into a nice little den area, cozy. Into the kitchen, beautifully updated with granite countertops. Into the great room. Let's get a good view of that kitchen. We'll take a step outside here. Look at this fantastic backyard. Cozy little area here. Multi-level decks. Little playhouse. Very relaxing space. Down the hallway, we have the first bedroom, plantation shutters, cute room, full bath, second bedroom on the main, very spacious. It attaches to the full bath. Master bedroom is very spacious. Easily fits a king-size bed. Has its own ensuite. Updated. Very nice space. Let's take a look downstairs and see what else this house has to offer. Welcome downstairs. Here we have a fourth bedroom, very large space, and look at this great little cubby for reading. Any little kid will love that. Huge den, office space, very nice for a home office. Beautifully updated full bath. Huge laundry room, very updated, contemporary. Thank you for touring the house with me today. If you'd like to schedule a showing or have any questions, please feel free to click the link below this video. Have a great day.